Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about pair of linear equation in two variables, uh, and we also done with we're doing that exercise 3.2. Now we'll see that second problem in this exercise. Five pens, five pencils and seven pens together cost rupees 50, whereas seven pencils and five pens together cost rupees 46. So find the cost of one pencil and one pen. And this problems also for this problem also we need to solve it algebraically and graphically. Okay, we know how to do that. So first your pencils is there and pens are there. So two quantities were there. So what is the cost of each? We don't know. So now what we can do? Let we take that. Let the cost of pencil be X and pen be Y. So let the cost of one pencil be X and one pen be Y. Okay. We know further what we can do. So let the according to the question. So we can write here according to the question. So we can write that 5x plus according to the question we can write that 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Why? Because 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50. Therefore 5x plus 7x is equal to 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. And next 7 pencils 7x and 5 pens plus 5y is equal to 46. So call this as equation 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what we did, so we got that first equation and second equation. So we did that algebraically. Now what we need to do, we need to do graphically. Okay, so then we can write here, we can make that y terms. Okay, so now we need to isolate y to the one side and remaining other terms to the one more other side, right hand side. Okay, so now we can give the values for x and y. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll give x y, I'll give x is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3. I think 3 points are enough, so no need to go for much. So 3 points are enough. So 1 2 3, I'll give x is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, now what we can do, so here if x is equal to 1, what about the y value we need to find? So therefore y is equals to now see here y is equals to here I substitute the value x is equal to 1. So then the y is equals to 45 by 7. If we divide this 45 by 7, so we're going to get 6.4. So this value which is equal to here 6.4. So next if we take x is equals to 2, if we take x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 50 divided 50 minus 5 5 into 2, 50 by into 5 into 2 divided by 7. Now simplify this. Okay, now see here, so y is equals to 40 by 7 you'll get. If we take x is equal to 2, we'll get y is equal to 40 by 7. If we divide 40 by 7, you'll get 5.7. Now if we take x is equal to 3, then we'll get y is equals to 35 by 7. If we divide 35 by 7, 35 divided by 7, so we'll get 5. So 5 is the answer. I think 3 points are enough, no need to go for much. Okay, so next we'll go for this equation y is equal to 46 minus 7x by 5. Okay, now next here, if we take y is equal here x is equals to 1, so we'll get y is equals to 39 divided by 5. If we simplify that and if we write in the decimals, you'll get 7.5. Okay, so next if x is equals to 2, then y is equals to, you'll get 32 by 5, that is 6.4. And if y is equal, if x is equals to 3, and if you simplify that, you'll get the 25 by 5, which is equals to 5. 25 by 5, which is equals to 5. So this is the table we got. So now what we need to do, we need to do the graph, and if you want, you can take some other values also, no problem. Okay, so now we need to plot the graph. So first graph, so 1 comma 6. So first we locate the points. So now we can locate the points 1 comma 6.4. So 1 is here and 6.4. 6 is here, 6.4 somewhere here. 1 comma 6.4. I'll take black color so it looks okay. 1 comma 6.4. Okay. So next point. So next point 2 comma 5.7. So 2 5.7. So 2 comma 5.7. This is 3. 2 comma 5.7. So 2 5.7 somewhere here. Yes. So here this is 5. Here this is 4. This is 4.5. This is 5. This is 5.5. So count 2 digits from here. So therefore 1 2. So 2 digits. So therefore it is 5.5. So next 3 comma 5. So 3 and 5. 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. So now join the using the shape, join these points. Using the shape, join these points. So I'll get like this. Okay. So now look to draw for the next one. So 1 comma 7.5. So 1 comma 7.5. So some 7.5 is here. 1 comma 7.5. So then so next 2 comma 6.4. 2 comma 6.4. So 6.5 is here. 6.4 somewhere here. 6.4 somewhere here. Okay, so next is 2 comma 3 comma 5. Next point. So join all these 3 points. Extend the line. Extend this line. Okay, so this is the point of intersection. This is 3 comma 5. So therefore our x value is, so here x is equals to, what is it? X is equals to 3, then y is equals to 5. So therefore the cost of pencil, x is pencil, right? The cost of pencil is 3 rupees and cost of pen is 5 rupees. Okay. So and also you need to write the scale. Write the scale. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So write the scale also. Scale. So in that x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And also locate the points in your classwork. So points. So here 3 comma 5. So here what is it? 2 comma 6.4, like that. Locate it. I hope all of you understood this. Okay. So now we'll move for the next problem. Now the second main. So on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the lines represent the following pair of linear equation: intersecting point or parallel or coincidental. So I think you remember that I gave you a table, right? In that if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then it is a coincident is not equal, then it's a coincidental line. So wait, I'll show that we are table. I hope all of you remember this, and also you wrote in the classwork this one, intersecting lines. So then a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, coincidental line. Then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And parallel lines, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then it is a parallel lines. Okay, now we'll do the first problem. We'll understand what is this a1 b1 and all those things. So your first problem, so your 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. So next one, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. So here we need to find a1 b1 c1 first. In this is the first equation, right? For us this is the first equation and this is the second equation. In this first equation, so here a1 which is equals to 5, b1 which is equals to minus 4, and c1 is equals to 8, and a2 which is equals to 7, b2 which is equals to 6, c2 which is equals to minus 9. So now divide this. a1 divided by a1 by a2 will do. a1 by a2, so which is equals to 5 over 7, and b1 by b2 which is equals to minus 4 by 6, minus 4 by 6. If we simplify it further, we need to keep always in the simplified form. So here 5 by 7 is there, we not able to simplify it further, so kept like that only. But here 4 by 6 is there, 4 by 6, both the 4 and 6 are divisible by same number, so divide it. So they will get minus 2 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so then c1 by c2, so c1 by c2, which is equals to, c1 is, what is c1, that is 10 by 9, so 10 divided by 9. So according to this, here first condition satisfies, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then what type of line you will get? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So then what type of line it is? It is coincidental line. It is coincidental line. Coincidental line. Sorry, not coincidental. It is intersecting line. It is intersecting line. So a1 by first condition, it is intersecting line. Okay. So change here. It is intersecting line. Okay. So here it is intersecting lines. So next here a1 by a2, write the condition here. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so therefore it is a intersecting lines. Write this first condition. Okay, similarly find the next. So you can take this, so second one, here again here also you'll find a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. So here a1, here okay, what is a1? We'll see that. Okay, now here 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, and in this a1 by a2 is equals to 9 by 18. So if we simplify it further, we'll get 1 by 2, and b1 by b2, that is 3 by 6. If we simplify it further, we'll get 1 by 2. And next one, c1 by c2, there also 12 by 24. If we simplify it further, we'll get 1 by 2. So therefore here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If it is like that, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then whatever line it is coincidental line. So therefore it is a coincidental line. Okay, so the following pair of linear equations are coincidental. So next, last one. So now here 6x minus 3y minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0, and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So in this, a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2 you will get, and b1 by, if we simplify it, you will get 3 by 1, and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 by minus 1. So it is 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 is also nothing but 3. And c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. So 10 by 9, we are not able to simplify it further. Why? Because 10 and 9 both are not divisible by same numbers. So therefore here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2. So the following pair of linear equations are parallel according to the third condition. I hope all of you understood this. So copy this in your classworks, in your classwork, in the sense copy in the graph book only. Okay, so the remaining things we'll see in the next class. If you have any doubts in this, please text me or call me through the WhatsApp. Okay, I hope all of you understood today's class. Okay, we'll see the remaining thing in the next class. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.